Apple introducing a device that will transform the way we see the world. With Apple Vision Pro, you will experience limitless possibilities at your fingertips. This is Ranjit. Welcome back to our channel, Canada Tiki. Apple Vision Pro is coming up with a augmented reality technology. What is augmented reality and virtual reality? What is the difference in between? Augmented reality is likely adding a layer of digital information on top of real world. VR is creating a simulated and computer-generated environment. It immerses us in a virtual world that is separate from the real world. Here are some of my personal questions and doubts about this Apple Vision Pro device. First one, I saw this in the ad video where one lady is meditating with three-dimensional vision and serene music. Is it true that we can meditate after wearing this device? Next one, video calling. Whoever has this device will get clear audio and video in front of their eyes. But how will the opposite caller feel about our covered eyes? Next, is it to protect the privacy of others while walking on the roads? And for this device cost is $3,499. This is very expensive. If you have the answers, please put them in the comment section. Moving into the next topic as pros and cons about augmented reality. Let's talking about the pros. First one, enhanced user experience. AR adds a new layer of interactivity and emotion to our real-world experience. It can provide entertaining and engaging interactions, making activities like gaming, education, and shopping more enjoyable. Next one, real-time information. AR can deliver real-time information and data directly to users in their field of view. This can be particularly useful in scenarios such as navigation, where users can receive turn-by-turn directions overlaid on the real world. Next one, enhanced visualization and design. AR can assist professionals in fields like architecture, engineering, and design by providing virtual models and overlays. It enables them to visualize and evaluate designs in real-world contexts, making the planning and creation process more efficient. Last one, increased productivity and efficiency. AR can streamline workflows and increase productivity in various industries. It enables workers to access information, instructions, and guidance hands-free, improving efficiency and reducing errors. Let's talk about the cons of augmented reality. First one, technical limitations. AR experiences rely on accurate tracking, mapping, and rendering of virtual content. Technical challenges can arise in accurately aligning virtual objects with the real world, especially in dynamic or complex environments. Next one is limited field of view. AR experiences are often viewed through devices with limited field of view, such as smartphones or smart glasses. This can constrain the amount of augmented content that can be displayed, potentially limiting the immersion and effectiveness of AR applications. Next one is social acceptance and privacy concerns. As AR blurs the line between the real and virtual world, it can raise social acceptance concerns. Some people may find it distracting or intrusive when others are engaged in AR experiences in shared spaces. Privacy concerns can also arise when AR applications collect and process personal data. Last one is development and cost. Developing high-quality AR applications can be complex and resource-intensive. It requires expertise in areas like computer vision, 3D modeling, and user experience design. The cost of developing and deploying AR applications can be a barrier for some business and developers.